Installing XL Connector. Once you've downloaded the XL Connector package, double-click the XL Connector installer.exe file to start the installation and click through the wizard pages. The installer may have to install some Microsoft libraries for XL Connector to work, but don't worry, the installation will work on its own. When it's completed, restart Excel. Look in the menu bar for a new ribbon called XL Connector. There's nothing to install or set up on the Salesforce side. You can simply log in to Salesforce. XL Connector works with Platform, Group, Professional, Enterprise, and unlimited editions of Salesforce.com. You now have access to a powerful data management toolkit with unlimited data pulling and pushing capabilities, as well as features for updating, inserting, and robust admin tools for managing metadata. Start taking your CRM management to the next level. Watch the complete series of XL Connector tutorial videos to unlock the full potential of your data management.